This is the most maybe rusty place on the truck. Co-driver's side rear body panel. But still no drama. Someone has done some repair works. They are not done very neatly, but it stays together. And I have never wanted this truck to be like in a show condition. I have kept it mechanically okay, and that was the objective all the time.